Hi everyone, my name is Itzel Webb. I am originally from San Jose, California, but I was raised in Los Angeles. I went to school in Culver City, which is really close to Santa Monica. It's a super cute town, I guess, or city. It is like 25 minutes from the beach, so a lot of times after high school we'd just take the bus down to Santa Monica or Venice Beach, and that was kind of what I grew up doing, so it was a lot of fun living in Southern California. It's sunny, it's pretty, and I miss it sometimes. I'm currently now living in American Fork, Utah. My husband and I have been married for 2.5 years. We were married in the Los Angeles Temple. I will pull up a picture. That's not it. Let's see. We were married in the Los Angeles Temple, October 2015. Like I said, we are now living in American Fork. We built a small single-family home here, and we moved in August, so it's been a lot of fun and crazy adventures. We love our ward. We live in a huge ward. It's growing a lot. We had 800 people this Sunday, so there's a lot of growth in this area. I enjoy playing volleyball. Currently, I am helping my mom with the young women in her ward. They have a tournament coming up this weekend, so I've been helping them for the last month kind of practice and learn a little bit more about volleyball, so that's been pretty fun. I also enjoy any sport. I used to play soccer, I used to play basketball, but my favorite is volleyball. I really enjoy working hands-on. Right now I am doing my internship at Scenic View Academy, which is here in Provo, and I started this is my 3rd week, and it's been so much fun. I really enjoy getting to know a lot of the students and helping them one-on-one in order for them to work on a lot of skills that they, have trouble with. So that's been really fun. Something I hope to apply from this course is to be able to distinguish the importance of the development that we go throughout our lives. I think that is such an important factor of who we are. And so I think being able to distinguish that and learn about it can really help me in my professional career someday as I try and become, a mental health counselor. I think that it would be very important to understand the psychological development within everyone. So I'm pretty excited about that. Other than that, anything else that might be interesting to know about me is that I am an only child. I was really close to 2 of my cousins, but they were both boys, so I grew up playing soccer and had bruises all over my legs growing up, but I'm still very girly. I love wearing makeup. I love dressing super cute and anything, but if someone wants to play volleyball, I will still play volleyball in my cute outfit. So that's kind of a little bit of who I am. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Like I said, I am in Utah County, so if anyone wants a study buddy, I am for sure available. Let me know. Thanks. Bye.